we go. I know. Here we go. Ready? Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, you got Dad's shoes on? Oh my gosh.
You're crazy. Oh, we gotta go walk. Ready? I know. We'll get this one on. Hold on. Okay. Ready?
Here we go. Big Jack and big shoes. Oh, your feet come out.
Hold on. Take your time. Don't go so crazy. Alright. Hold on. Let's move this foot forward a little bit. You at least get a step.
How you like that?
Okay, ready? Go. Oh.
Hi, Jack. You say hi? Can you say hi?
Hold on. Okay.
Woo!
Woo! Can you walk to mom? Foot back in, ready? Step up. Slow and steady, ready? Real slow, we go. 1. Oh, where are you going?
It's too big.
Too big?
They're too big.
Ah, too big. Good try. Hold on.
Oh my gosh. It's just so exciting. Say, is it so exciting? Jack, hello. Hi. Hi.
Let's look at these shoes for a second. Does it size your leg? Thank you.
Say goodbye, everybody. Say bye-bye, Jack.
Say bye-bye. Gonna take the shoes to mom? Gonna take them to mom? Go take them to mom.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, bye-bye.
What's up, Nana?
Oh, done with shoes.
Oh,
All
push
right,
it up.
help with the dishes.
Push it up.
Push, push.
Watch your fingers. Here, ready? Watch your fingers. Good job.
Can you dance? Do 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 do. Oh, okay. I think we're done. Oh. Can you dance? I've been working on. Oh, did you turn the volume up? Nice work. There you go. Okay, thank you.